Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm going to talk about this one, how to do this tabletop. Okay, simple. You just drag the cabinet first, then we put lighting now. In case, so we put lighting. So this lighting usually I will drag from here, or fill light. Then I'm gonna choose this one, or light strip. Yellow light strip also can. So anything, just drag here. Okay. Light, drag already, then move it. Okay, hold control button, remember hold control button. Move it up first, and this one move to here for the lighting. Just like carpenter, how carpenter do lah, or simple as that. So press X, rotate it first. Okay, rotate it first. Okay, press Z, move back. Or Z to make it stick to there, okay? Z to make it stick to there. Okay, Z to make it stick to there. Okay. So this one you can press C, resize it also here. Okay, this one for lighting. This one press Shift and Control, move again, or move another one, put here. Okay, after that we're gonna do the tabletop lah. Oh, you see the tabletop, right? Marble and got lighting. So lighting I insert already. Now left marble. Marble, those things we can use anything lah. Also we go back to the kitchen. Okay, this one if you inside want to put lighting, right? So obviously you cannot use this one to generate lah. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one to create. Okay, like I told you, any panel can turn to marble also. Just apply material only. So you may choose other super plate. Okay, so this one, the size, let me check with 800 times 3. Okay, 2004. 800 times 3, 2004, 2004, and this one I make it 900. Okay, 900. So then I'll rotate lah this panel, rotate it. Control X, okay, rotate it first 90 degree, then I Z, move it up. Okay, so the back. Okay, this one give it 0. Okay, and this one I'm gonna move it in a bit here. Okay, so this one obviously too tall, so I'm gonna change it the height minus height. This one 900 minus 100. Okay, minus 100 again. 700, 750, 700, 800 lah, 800 should be fine. Okay, then I use this one, shift lah, or shift one more panel, same as it. Okay, shift one more panel, Control V. Then this one I'll rotate again. Before rotate, I think I don't need lah. The front got lighting is enough, so I rotate again. Control C, Control X, rotate again. Okay, then I press Z. Okay, I use point capture. This one I use point capture. This point at the bottom here merge with this point at the corner here. Yes. Right click, exit. Okay, so this one will be the tabletop. Simple. I'll just use this one. Oh guys, use this one. Sorry. Public. Upload own texture, or upload my own texture. Okay, go to okay. After that, select texture. Okay. Okay. Before that, come to category first. Okay, you can create a category in texture here. Create a category. Okay, create category like glass or anything you want. Then you go to MY after create. Okay, so go to texture. Make sure always. Then you click publish. So you can give a name of it marble brown. Okay, and here you put TS law, any brand name you want, okay, just simple as that. Okay, so the properties, this one is very important. You must choose a transparent one, so of course it's glass lah, or glass pattern. Okay, so we will choose something like mascot pin lah, this one, we choose this one. Wait a minute, painted glass is correct, but painted glass is too transparent, so we choose frosted a bit. Okay, because I don't want the lighting so obvious, I don't want so transparent. Okay, so frosted a bit. Then you just select this one or choose the picture you like. Okay, the marble texture lah. Okay, so after that, simple, you choose a category, that's the one you create. Okay, then I click submit. Okay, after that I'll come to here, I'll click on the banner, just choose here, choose MY. Okay, MY you can create, choose this one. Okay, and this one you can material property, choose this one. Okay, so if you want to put sync or anything, right, you can click on this one, right click, use panel point editing lah, use panel point editing. Okay, to open the whole lah, up to you how to open. Okay, you may prefer the extension class. Okay, so this one here, we just run the effect to show you. Okay, here let's see everything correct. This one, okay, I like this angle, lighting, I add one. Okay, so I'll just click this one, submit. Remember, do not be too bright, too bright you cannot see the lighting. Okay, so a few moments later, okay, I click inside, complete, so you see, okay, with glass and the texture. Okay, thanks for watching, bye.